My name is Ana Francisco.
My name is Janet Alvarado.
My name is Ana Laura Sebastián.
My name is Brenda Hernandez.
My name is Gisela.
I will show you how to prepare the delicious chicken salad. The ingredients are cooked chicken breast,
Bien difícil.
cooked carrot, cooked potato, a cup of golden corn kernels,
1 cup of chicharrones, 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 salt optional, salty cracker, and jalapeno pepper and vinegar.
I will tell you how to prepare this recipe. Step 1. We will complete covering the chicken breast in the container we prepared in the recipe. Ready?
Step 2. Cut the carrots and potatoes in the small squares and add into the chicken breast. Step 3. Cooked kernel chicharrones should be drained and these are else added to the above.
And we will prepare for 2 minutes.
Bailas we decorate and serve, accompanied by cookies and jalapeno pepper. Ready? As you can see, it's a healthy salad, fast and full of flavor.